Hello, good afternoon, you guys. This is Matt with Sunny Pressure Washing. You're good at staying here. But this is basically what I wanted. This is Matt with Sunny Pressure Washing. Hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to basically show you an example of how we made something wrong. We made an error and we made it right. This is also kind of a peculiar scenario that you guys might find yourselves in, where we flash oxidized, galvanized aluminum siding. So you can see, or galvanized steel siding, I'm not sure exactly, but so you can see exactly what the damage was. We were cleaning this balcony and the guy pump sprayed, our guy Daniel, he's great, but he pump sprayed this and got some pretty bad oxidation all over it. So you can tell it's pretty torn up. And so this is one thing we're very adamant about with our guys is taking before and after pictures. So this is the before picture. You can see, I mean, obviously it kind of got us because we messed it up, but it's good for reference because otherwise any other damage would not be at fault on our part, because we've got it documented. So we document everything, and then this is the after result. So you can see it came out looking 10 million times better. It's still not perfect, but it's about 95% what we're going for. And then when you're looking at it, I mean, on the picture you can kind of see, but when you're looking at it in real life, it's way better than what it was. So, and you can't even really see it unless you're looking for it. So I mean, I know because I was there cleaning it, so I can tell a little bit, but otherwise the customer's not going to know. I mean, not the customer, but anyone that looks at it's not going to know in the future. So the moral of this story is basically, I'll show you guys how we cleaned it so you can have that information, but the moral of the story is just always make things right. Don't do bad business. Don't leave someone hanging. Solution's always going to be less bad than you think it is, even if it seems like a nightmare. It's better to lose a little bit of money now and keep your reputation and make way more money in the future with having a good reputation and a healthy background. And also, one thing I want to touch base on real quick, and then I'll show you guys a video. Daniel messed this up, or Daniel took the action that messed this up. I did not beat him up. There's no real value in that. He's not a bad employee, and he was not negligent or messing anything up on purpose. And so this is Carson walking in. He didn't mess anything up on purpose, but what he basically just learned a lesson. So we got Kyle coming by saying hi. So he didn't mess it up because he was bad or anything like that, or didn't care. It was a mistake. We were able to correct it, and I didn't beat him up. He beat himself up more than I did, but I basically utilized it as an opportunity to say, hey, we're going to learn from this. You're never going to make this mistake again, and you're going to know in the future what is going on. And you're also going to be able to train the next people. You're going to get more experience, and then also it's going to build a deeper relationship with me and Daniel to where he's more willing to go above and beyond for us in the future, because I had his back, or we had his back, by going out and helping him with, I mean, I'm covered in sweat, so we were just out for like 2 hours scrubbing it, but he expressly said that he was very appreciative of how I handled the situation, which I'm not trying to say kudos to me, but I'm saying, like, if you go and have your people's back, they will have your back the next time. So not always, but the good ones will. And if they're bad, then it's up to you if you want those people on your team or not. So I don't, but all right, so I'll show you guys a video, and hopefully it's a good tool for information for you to have. So all right, peace. Good afternoon, you guys. This is Matt Tognacci with Sunny Pressure Washing. We're out in Spring Branch right now. We basically made a mistake, so we put some bleach on this wall, and it was in the sun and it flash oxidized, and so it left this sort of residue stain over it. And so we are basically working to get it cleaned up right now. We are hoping that it comes out looking flawless. You see the polish is taking a lot of it off, but we'll do a few coats and we'll get it out a lot more and see what the best results we can get are. You can definitely tell a difference, but we just wanted to show you guys that we do make mistakes. There's always lessons to be learned, but we are going to fix it. Hopefully this will work. If it doesn't, we'll find another alternative route to try, but we just wanted to check in with you guys and show you more of what's going on. Thank you very much.
4 pillars? Oh yeah, the 4 columns. Yeah, I put it on the work order for myself. Yeah. No, I was on the phone with a couple people. We got tied up with this.
Hello, good afternoon, you guys. This is Matt Tognacci with Sunny Pressure Washing. We are here again, and I'm showing you guys the side. Got all cleaned up. You can see it's looking a million times better. It's a little bit different color just because we rubbed a bunch of polish on it, but looking at it, depending on the lighting, it looks a million times better. So basically just want to check in with you guys and show you what happened. I'll explain what went wrong, but basically we just put bleach on it when it was too hot of a mix and not on the right surface. So we were able to have a great customer who was able to let us, who's willing to let us come out and fix it and make everything right and get it pretty much 95% what it was before. So hopefully with time it'll even out and we'll be good to go. So just want to show you guys again the surface, and we are on the road. Boom.